Hey, what's up YouTube fam? This is Sly and welcome back to another exciting episode of Talk Tech. On my channel, this is Talk Tech. Hey, I really appreciate you guys, and I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about what I'm excited about that's actually coming. It'll be here tomorrow. The PartyBox 110. That's right, JBL recently released, and in my opinion it was kind of quietly, but they recently released the JBL PartyBox 110. And the reason I actually found this out is because ever since I picked up the JBL PartyBox 310, this bad boy right here, I was hooked. And this is great, but it's not the easiest thing to carry around. So I like to go out, I like to move around a lot, I like to entertain. I also do a lot of parks, picnics, hiking, camping, beaches, things like that. So I wanted something that was more portable. My first JBL speaker was the JBL Pulse 2 right here. So this was my first speaker. This works very good, just not loud enough for me and not enough sound depending on what the situation was. So, you know, you can always turn the music down, but you can't get it but so high. So this is a great speaker, but it just didn't get loud enough for me. So I actually looked at the JBL PartyBox On-The-Go. That's what this is right here. Great speaker. I actually used it over the weekend, worked very fine, having a lot of fun. Grabbed the microphone. This microphone right here that came with it, did some karaoke with some family. It was great. And I was online and I was actually looking around. I was actually thinking, hey, I might go ahead and pick up another one of these. I really want to get another 310. They're hard to find because they're selling out. As soon as they get some in, they sell out. So I really want another one of these so I can like blow the doors off the house, right? But practically, I'm going to use this more. Like outside the house, I'm going to carry this around. I'll probably keep them in the back of the car. I'm always going somewhere. I like to hang out, like to have music going on in the background, have a good time. So I was actually looking to get another party box when I came across that, you know, the JBL 110 is out. So I picked up the 110 and I'm really excited. The 110 and the PartyBox On-The-Go are very close in cost, but there's a difference as far as specs. So I can't wait to get my hands on it. Make sure you stay tuned. Push that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. But I'm going to do the official unboxing. It's coming tomorrow. It's on its way right now. I checked the tracking. It'll be here tomorrow. The PartyBox, JBL PartyBox 110 will be here tomorrow. I'm going to do the unboxing. And then the first thing I'm going to do is the JBL PartyBox 110 versus the JBL PartyBox On-The-Go. That's going to be a great video, and we're going to have a lot of fun. As always, I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Make sure you do subscribe. That helps me out, and push that thumbs up button if you like the video. Go ahead and throw your comments down on the bottom. And as always, my name is Sly. I'm just an average guy that loves tech and does tech review. I appreciate you guys, and make sure you catch me on the next one. Peace.